Hi again, this is Des. Very busy afternoon. This is my third box break of the day. I've just done box breaks for two soccer products. Now I'm going to do one for Prestige Basketball 15-16 season. I believe the 16-17 Prestige Basketball product is about to be released, I think next month. I have purchased one box from a local retailer here in Singapore before. The best hit from this box was a Anthony Hardaway autograph sticker card. Alright, let's open this and see what we got. One of the reasons why I bought this again, it's because it's rather generous with the autograph hits. Now again, I'm not a big fan of the jersey cards, so obviously I would want to look for soccer or basketball products that have minimal memorabilia cards. Alright, the more autograph cards, the merrier. Okay, they're all together 10 packs, 6 cards per pack. Alright, so let's do this. Again, this is not for any particular customer. This is again for my own personal collection, so good luck to me. And right away we have the Freshman Fabrics Jumbo, which is basically an enlarged uniform one color patch. Again, nothing fantastic. I believe they do a lot of rookie memorabilia cards for this particular collection. Trey Lyles, Utah Jazz, not sure who. I think 100 point top loader should do. Right. Alright, so I'll be monitoring his progress. Hope he comes good. Is he any good? And you have a blue bonus shots, Wesley Johnson. Not numbered, I think. Yeah, that just about does it for the first pack. Moving on. Okay, first insert of this box belongs to DeAndre Jordan, and another slightly different insert set. This time round it's Prestigious Pros Tony Parker. You have a red bonus shots Markieff Morris. It's, in my opinion, a lot better, the base cards, in terms of design compared to your Hoops or Donruss, which have those pretty ugly white borders. You don't see white borders in this product though. Tobias Harris, Tim Duncan. Yep, our first autograph, again, pretty underwhelming. Number to 299, which is a pretty high number. From the LA Lakers, Anthony Brown, very simple autograph, AB, with a bit of a squiggle and then his jersey number. Hopefully the better ones are going to come in the later packs. Alright. Oh, There's one more insert card. Dwayne Wade, Playmakers. So that's 2 hits from 2 packs. Looking for 2 more hits. Usually the breakdown would be 3 auto cards and 1 jersey card. But if you're unlucky enough, it would be 2 jersey cards and 2 auto cards. Nothing fantastic yet. Drew Holiday purple. Is this the next auto? It is Mario Hezonja, Orlando Magic, numbered to 99, 51 out of 99. Yeah, I've gotten one of these passport rookie cards auto. I believe this is an on-card auto. Not bad. Pretty nice autograph. I think I've heard of him before. Should still be active in the NBA. Not exactly a big name, but I think it's a lot better than the one just now. This is Omer Zig Red. Yeah, this is nice. Not bad. Hopefully, well, I've already gotten 2 rookie autos. Looking forward to getting maybe former player, big name former player, hopefully, for the last auto hit. Hezonja, Mario Hezonja. Should be Croatian, going by his name. Yeah, it's from Croatia. Okay, moving on. Oh, okay, not bad. Franchise favorites, Kobe Bryant, in his swan song season. Stanley Johnson. Jabari Parker, Dragic, that was Cole, Drew Holiday, Dirk Nowitzki, Devin Booker, pretty hot right now. Yep. Oh, this is rookie. Okay, cool. Bargnani, Kazic again, Terrence Ross, Marcus Cousins. Okay, oh, it's an autograph. Wow. Big name. Big name. From the Showtime era, LA Lakers, James Worthy. His National Treasures auto card is selling for quite a lot online. Pretty pleased with this one. Number to 49. So you do get your fair share of Legends players autos, you know, from this product. Got myself a Penny Hardaway, now a James Worthy. You know, I quite appreciate all these, you know, old school names because, well, you know, they're not going to be around forever. Looking forward to landing a Magic Johnson, well, soon enough, or a Larry Bird. Use another sleeve. Nice, this is nice. So, 2 LA Lakers hits in terms of autographs. 1 rookie and a legend. Nice. James Worthy. Alright, no more hits from then on. I have 2 more packs to go. Let's see whether we can land some nice rookie cards. Maybe a Carl Anthony Towns or a Greek Freak base card would be nice. Zaza Pachulia. Another Kobe. I haven't seen any Golden State yet, I think. Okay, this is oh, this is numbered 22 out of 99. Norman Powell, not sure who. A red bonus shots. Yusuf Nurkic, I've gotten his autograph before in Totally Certified 14-15. Last pack. Well, pretty average box. James Worthy autograph is the saving grace, I think, of this box. Not too bad. Chalmers, Jason Kidd, and lastly Ben McLemore blue bonus shots. Okay, just to summarize again, our hit cards are Trey Lyles, Freshman Fabrics Jumbo, these two later, a NBA Passport autograph insert, rookie Mario Hezonja, and the 2 Lakers hits, Anthony Brown, and well, now I realize maybe their sticker is a little crooked. Isn't really pasted. You know, I don't know, I might be wrong, but nice autograph. Alright, so that does it for this box break. I'll see you again later. Ciao.